Scotland. Scotland's dramatic scenery spans lush woodlands, stunning lochs, rugged coastlines, and green rolling hills topped with crumbling castles. Home to the famous Donan Castle and one of Europe's greatest wilderness areas, the Scottish Highlands are probably the country's most evocative region, one characterized by an amazing history and even more amazing landscapes. The fabled Loch Ness and Scotland's largest national park are also here, and so are epic battlefields, breathtaking beaches, and misty, magical mountains. Equally spectacular, the Isle of Skye is famous for its astounding sea cliffs and dramatic island mountain range. Edinburgh celebrates its rich past with remarkable monuments, inspiring architecture, and a calendar chock full of cultural festivals, and Glasgow pairs its vibrant music scene with award-winning museums and Victorian splendor like no other city in Britain. Turkey. An insane mix of cultures and colors, sandy beaches and vibrant bazaars, whimsical mountains and marvelous ancient ruins. This is Turkey, a country you'll never forget. Here, at the crossroads of Asia and Europe, Roman theaters coexist with mosques and modern shopping malls, and some of the best historic sites in the world share the landscape with natural wonders such as the blue terrace pools of Pamukkale or the fairy chimneys of Cappadocia. Brimming with art, culture, and history, Istanbul is one of the planet's greatest cities, and the turquoise coast, with its fine sands and stunning blue lagoons, is a paradise for sailors, swimmers, and sun worshippers. Locals are friendly, the food is to die for, and whatever type of vacation you're looking for, possibilities are endless in Turkey. Spain. During my travels throughout Europe, I had the opportunity to discover some truly amazing places, but no other country made me feel more alive and inspired than Spain, with its monumental cities, dazzling costas, and gloriously laid-back way of life. And it's not just vibrant, colorful Barcelona or the royal splendor of Madrid that keep calling me back over and over again, but also the irresistible charm of sunny Seville, the Moorish grandeur of the Alhambra in Granada, and the frozen and thyme villages of Spain's lesser-known autonomous communities. Some countries are full of character and man-made architectural wonders, others have nature on their side. Spain excels in each and every one of them, offering travelers a wealth of natural beauty along with a fascinating history and a cultural scene that's both deep and authentic as well as creative and innovative. Quirky festivals keep the old traditions alive. Gaudi's masterpieces stand side by side with contemporary art galleries on the charismatic streets of Barcelona, and Romanesque churches dot the green north of the country. There are 44 World Heritage Sites in Spain, including astonishing Roman ruins, gorgeously preserved old towns, and unique national parks resplendent with rare flora and fauna. Add to all these the soul-stirring scenery of Mallorca, the otherworldly volcanic landscapes of the Canary Islands, the rugged beauty of the Pyrenees, and Ibiza's exquisite mix of quaintness, blue waters, and high-end hedonism, and you have the most passionate, captivating, and beautiful country in Europe. France. Seductive, melodious France has something for everyone, from the glitzy resorts along the sun-drenched Côte d'Azur to charming bistros and priceless art in Paris, pretty hilltop villages in Provence, and fabulous skiing in the Alps. And then there's the wine and cheese, the art de vivre, and the rich histories here. Much of the country beauty comes from the diversity of its landscape, but it also derives from its exclusive haute couture scene and remarkable architectural heritage, which includes everything from stunning Gothic cathedrals and Romanesque churches to splendid Renaissance chateaux and striking Art Nouveau jewels. Norway. Deep, striking fjords, rugged coastal mountains, and glaciers that take your breath away, all contribute to the epic natural beauty of Norway. The nation's unique landscape and wildlife are protected by spectacular national parks, and its handful of cities are teeming with Scandinavian sophistication. The northern part of Norway lies within the Arctic Circle, so the midnight sun and aurora borealis add to the drama of this remote and magnificent country. Here and there, a quaint wooden village brings a touch of life to the wild scenery, while reindeers and polar bears roam the staggering ice fields of the Svalbard archipelago.